Every program we run on the command line automatically has 3 data streams connected to it. STDIN, or 0, stands for standard input, which means data fed into the program. STDOut, or 1, stands for standard output, which means data printed by the program. STDError, or 2, stands for standard error, which means outputted error messages. Piping and redirection is the means by which we may connect these streams between programs and files to direct data in interesting and useful ways. We'll demonstrate piping and redirection in this tutorial with several examples. But these mechanisms will work with every program on the command line, not just the ones we have used in the examples. Normally, we will get our output on the screen, which is convenient most of the time. But sometimes we may wish to save it into a file to keep as a record, feed into another system, or send to someone else. The greater than operator indicates to the command line that we wish the program's output to be saved in a file, instead of printed to the screen like the following example. Now, if we use cat to read test.txt file, we will show that ls output is inside it instead of being printed on the terminal window. But if we execute the last command again and cat the same file, we will note that it is the same file, nothing has been changed. Because one greater than operator means redirect and overwrite the file. So, to append to an existing file, we have to use double greater than operators like the following. If we use the less than operator, we can send data the other way. We will read data from the file and feed it into the program via its STDIN stream like the following example. Now let's look at the third stream, which is standard error. STDError is stream number 2, and we may use these numbers to identify the streams. If we place a number before the greater than operator, then it will redirect that stream. If we don't use a number, like we have been doing so far, then it defaults to stream 1. Look at the following example. Maybe we wish to save both normal output and error messages into a single file. This can be done by redirecting the STDError stream to the STDOut stream and redirecting STDOut to a file. We redirect to a file first, then redirect the error stream. We identify the redirection to a stream by placing an sign in front of the stream number like the following example. So far we've dealt with sending data to and from files. Now we'll take a look at a mechanism for sending data from one program to another. It's called piping, and the operator we use is pipe sign. It looks like this. What this operator does is feed the output from the program on the left as input to the program on the right. In the example below, we will list only the first 3 files in the directory. We may pipe as many programs together as we like. In the below example, we have then piped the output to tail so as to get only the 3rd file. And now, we can redirect and pipe the output of our commands and get more control on our processes.